Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. Many people think that the answer is 0, but it's not. Why? Because they solve it like this: 3 minus 3 as 0 and 3 minus 3 as 0 and 0 times 0 as 0, which is the incorrect approach and incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. So it's 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. So when you have multiple operations like subtraction, multiplication, then again subtraction is given, then you have to follow Bodmas or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then off, then division and multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Always remember. So in terms of, we have given subtraction and multiplication, so we have to give priority to multiplication first. So it gives 9, so 3 minus 9 minus 3. Now we have to solve it from left to right because single sign is given. Now 3 minus 9 is minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9. So what is the correct answer? Minus 9. Now 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.